We divide 181 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 1 and it is 31. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 181 divided by 5 is 36.2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.